Hello, champs. Welcome to lesson 3 of our physics class. So, in today's class, we'll be looking at dimension of physical quantities. Okay, so in our previous lessons, we've talked about the derived and the fundamental units. We've looked at what quantities are and their examples. So, today we're going to look at what dimension is. Dimension is a way of expressing physical quantities in terms of their fundamental dimension. So in dimension, what we are basically doing is we are writing the units using dimensions, all right? So dimensions are just sets of letters which we use to represent units, just like an alternative form of representing units. So it is the same units but different letters. That's basically what dimension is all about. So let's look at some units and their dimension. Let's start with mass. Mass is the unit is kilogram, the dimension is m. For length, we know the unit is meters, that is m. The dimension is L. For time, seconds, it is T. For current, ampere, it is dimension is I. So let's take a look at some basic examples before we look at some exam questions. So let's say you are asked to write the dimension for area. You know, the unit for area is meter squared, right? So the dimension is simply L squared because in dimension the M is written as L. So let's say you're given speed. Speed is equals to meter per second, that's the units. So what you just do is you translate each of these units to dimension. So meters is L and time is T. So we write this will now be equals to L T minus 1. So one more, let's say we have acceleration. The unit for acceleration is meter per second squared. So the dimension, the M is L, that's length times seconds. So we have L T squared, which is L T minus 2. So that is how we write the dimension of some quantities.